Good morning students. Today we will discuss on brain teasers problem. I will not solve completely questions. I will give you hint. Question number 1A. This is given. Tick the correct answer. First question is ratio of 1 centimeter to 1 millimeter. 1 centimeter ratio 1 millimeter. So what is the rule of ratio? That it should be same, unit should be same. So this we can convert into millimeter. So this will become 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter ratio 1 millimeter. So this will become 10 ratio 1. This millimeter cancel, 10 ratio 1. Question number, it's the second part, B part. Fill in the blanks. So that this is box given 1 and 0.5. So this is asking in continued proportion. We have to fill this box. So what we will do, first of all, this box, this will become 2 numbers. When there are 3 numbers only given in proportion, then this middle becomes 2 numbers. So to make 4 numbers, this will be the format. And what is the procedure to fill this box? Product of extreme will be equal to product of means this box into 0.5 is equal to 1 into 1, and then this box is equal to 1 into 1 upon 0.5. How we can remove this decimal? So this will become 1 into 1 and 5, and instead of this 0.5, 10 will be multiplied upper side. This is the way to remove the decimal. How we can remove this decimal? By in opposite direction to put 1 0. So this will become 5 1 is 5 and 5 2 is 10. So 2 will come in the box. Next question C. This asking 8 ratio 12 and proportion given 26 ratio this box. Fill the box by same way. Product of this would be equal to product of this. Now question number D. It is given the cost of 6 chocolates is rupees this. Find the cost of 4 chocolates. So what we will write? First we will write cost of 6 chocolates is equal to 210. Then cost of 1 chocolate 210 upon 6. If possible then cancel, and not possible then leave. And then cost of how many chocolates? 4 chocolates. So this answer of this will be multiplied here, because already we have discussed. After cancellation, whatever answer will come, that will be multiplied by this 4. Now question number E. It is asked ratio of a dozen to a score. So 1 dozen means 1 dozen ratio 1 score. So 1 dozen means how many pieces? 12. And 1 score means 20. And this you cancel by 4 table. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are. So this is the answer of this. Fill in the blanks 3 ratio 5. Now question number B. In the word geometry, find the ratio of vowels to consonant. So how many vowels are there? Count here in geometry. Word O, E, only 2, and rest E, O, E. There are 3 vowels, and consonant, rest are consonant. So that we will write in ratio form. Next question, 12 bags of wheat weighs 96 kg. How much will 20 similar bags weigh? So this I am showing you wordings. Question number, this wordings I am showing you. Question number 1, B and B. What asking? How much will 20 similar bags 12 bags of wheat weight 96 kg. So how much will 20 similar bags? So what asking? Weight of 20 similar bags. So first of all, from the given this we will write weight of, what we have to find, weight. तो जो निकालना है that word we will put, weight निकालना है तो weight ही लिखना पड़ेगा. weight of from the given information, weight of 12 bags. 12 bags is equal to 96 kg. Then weight of one bag is equal to 96 upon 12 kg. If it is possible, we can cancel. It comes under the table of 8. 8 ja. So 8 kg. Then weight of 20 similar bags. So this is the one bag weight is 8 kg came. So 20 similar bags to 20 bags is equal to 8 kg into 20 is equal to 160 kg. So by this way we will solve the unitary method. Next question is C is which is greater, 3 upon 4, 3:4 or 5:6. So 3 upon 4 or 5 upon 6. So how we can compare this? By cross multiplication. So 3 will be here and 5 will be here. This 4 will come this side and 6 will come this side. This is 18 and 20. So which is bigger? This is bigger. So 5 upon 6 is bigger than 3 upon 4. D question. Find the ratio of 125 ml to 5 liter. So here you see D question, 125 ml ratio निकालना है 5 liter. So first of all, this 5 liter we will convert into milliliter because this is in milliliter. So this will become 5000 milliliter, and then you will cancel by 5 and milliliter and then you will write answer. Question number E, find the number in the box if these are in proportion given. So proportion already I have explained. So today's your homework is question number 1 and 2 of brain teachers problem. What is your homework? Question number 1 and question 2 of brain teachers, and value based question no need to solve. Okay.